Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of IGFX EM module has stopped working in Windows 7. So if you are getting this dialog box IGFX EM module has stopped working whenever you are starting your laptop or PC, and you have got Intel driver installed in your Windows 7, then to fix this issue what you have to do is just download Windows 7 Service Pack 1 from some external site. Why I am saying that you have to download it from some external site is that Microsoft has stopped the support for the Windows 7 system, and therefore you have to download it from external site. So one site from where you can download and install the Windows 7 Service Pack 1 is jalco.com. So just go to this site jalco.com and just search for Windows 7 Service Pack 1 and hit enter. Now just click on this first link, Windows 7 Service Pack 1, and just click on this button free download. This will download a installer file which will be of around 3 MB. After downloading this installer file, you just have to run this file and it will then download the setup files which will be around 900 MB in size. After downloading this setup file of 900 MB, just follow the instruction given in the setup window and complete the installation process of Windows 7 Service Pack 1. After installing the Windows 7 Service Pack 1, just restart your system and your issue will be fixed. So this dialog box will no longer appear after restarting your system. So this is how you can fix the issue of IGFX EM module has stopped working in Windows 7. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.